Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. It's Wednesday, November 9th. I'm Clarice.
And I'm Robert, with a shout out to Mr. Swebb's Night Skills class.
The Bulletin is on.
So, Clarice,
What?
what's Forrest Gump's email password?
What is it?
One Forrest One.
Hilarious. The food drive continues through tomorrow. Let's see how many items have been collected by each class so far. Freshmen have added 32 items, bringing their total to 93. Respect. 10th graders now have 42 items. Nice job, Leon. Juniors and seniors go unchanged from yesterday's numbers with 28 and 61 items. What's going on, upperclassmen? This is a class competition. Keep bringing in donations of non-perishable food items.
United Club members. Starting next week on November 16th, United Club will begin meeting on Wednesdays at 12:30 p.m. in Portal 602. So, United Club, change your calendar entry from Friday to Wednesdays.
The cross-country team continued to improve as the season went on this year, and they found themselves qualifying for state. Here's Jackson Fletcher with the recap of how cross-country did at state.
Hey Knight, it's me Jackson. Congratulations cross country and a job well done at state. Our Bremerton Knights cross country team is ranked 16th in Washington State. During the state meet, Cooper Stevenson set an 8.7 PR. Enzo Alonso Fernandez placed 4th places better than expected. Dan Anderson finished 16th places higher, and Will Mitchell and Cooper Stevenson both placed better than expected. During the first 100 meters of the race, Captain Elliot Burney was injured by another runner. He joked about getting attacked by a bear. In reality, a runner tripped and fell forward, gashing Burney's thigh with spikes, leaving him bloody and wounded for the rest of the race. Burney was determined to run his hardest during his final race.
Stop.
Way to go, cross-country team. BHS Wrestling will meet in the weight room next Monday at 2:30 for day 1 of practice. So, get ready to work out after school next Monday and show up at the weight room at 2:30. Girls basketball tryouts also begin on the 14th. Those girls interested in playing basketball this year, tryouts will take place from 5 to 7 p.m. in the gym.
Home run, base hit, stolen base. Hey, baseball players, have I gotten your attention? There will be a meeting tomorrow after school. The meeting will run from 2:50 to 2:45. When is the baseball meeting? Tomorrow after school. If you have any questions, talk to Coach Els or Coach Nielsen.
Pacific Islander Club will begin meeting today in the Career Center. Come check out Pacific Islander Club and find out what's in store. That's today, after school, in the Career Center.
Veterans Day is Friday. Thanksgiving is a couple weeks away. What's happening on Thursday? The BHS Key Club Holiday Evergreen Fundraiser begins on Thursday. Key Club will be selling wreaths, door swags, and other holiday greenery. See a Key Clubber to order one today. Sales will run through November 20th, and items will be ready for delivery on Saturday, December 3rd.
Tomorrow, NJROTC will present a Veterans Day Assembly. Teachers, remember to go over the PAC seating chart with your night skills classes prior to heading out to the assembly on Thursday.
Sophomores, if you are interested in the aerospace industry, get your phone out and scan this QR code. The Museum of Flight has an awesome program for you. The program is entirely online and can lead to opportunities for your junior and senior year. For more information, visit Sophomore Washington Aerospace Scholars site, linked to this QR code.
And now, let's see who's celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday to Dylan Young, James Spivey, JV, Joseph Array, Olivia Small, Virginia Ariz Mendez, and Sing Sing Pan. That's today's birthday.
All right, a couple of reminders. FCC LA Club meets today after school, and Night Academy will take place in the library. Well, that's all we have for you today.
Have a great Wednesday like Garfield.
Go Knights.